Alright guys, took me a while to figure out what was wrong with this Nissan Rogue Chrome 2010. And I checked the spark plugs, that's what the error code said. Then also it's P030, and that was the error code. And what it kept saying was that misfire. Changed that, went back, changed the fuel pump, made sure that the battery and the alternator was good, also the starters. Did all that, the car still failed. So what was the issue? It was end up being the AC compressor. And so when the wheel got caught, what would happen, that bottom piece down there, we got that replaced. The pulley got caught, and once it was caught or lodged or jammed or whatever it was, the bell wouldn't spin, so the car would give a chunk sound. So the battery was good, the alternator was good, the starter was good, but the problem was that the AC compressor pulley locked and it wouldn't move, and that wouldn't crank the engine. So what I had to end up doing, I had to tap out and take it to a dealer, because there had to be an evac and replace with the coolant and all the fluids and all those. So that was above my skill set, but it's able to run now. Clean is good, and it's all because the AC compressor unit. So you might want to check that. An easy way to do it is, if you're having somebody help you, have them look and see if the belt spins when you go to crank it. Hey, y'all stay blessed, and y'all make it a great day.